Hey, William. Okay, so there's the finished final product. This is about 3/4, 3/4 power. Sorry, I looked out the window and I saw something silly. Anyway, so here it is. My big thing for you was to, because you've been with me for so long, and I just wanted to make sure that I got you the best possible watch. Because I know what you were looking for, and the other one was earlier, but this is just overall, it's just a nicer watch. It is just, and the movement came out beautifully, by the way, beautifully. Everything's all jeweled as it should be, and it's in great shape. I put a bunch of other new parts in it when I was going through it. Of course, it has all new seals and everything else like that, but I just made sure that everything was tight and correct. You know what I do. Anyway, and you can see we're getting very steady numbers. Just sitting here chugging along. It's going to be a great watch for you. Thank you so much, William, for this and for all the work you've done with me in the previous years. I do appreciate it. Yep, steady Freddy. Oh, I also did something that I don't normally do. Inside the case back, of course, I inscribed it that the date of service and all this other kind of stuff. But I specifically inscribed that I built this for you, and so it has your name and that I built it for you, and today's date, and the business initials and my initials. So I don't know if that is welcome or not, but I just felt like doing that for you. Oh, also, what was I going to say? This is also I meant to tell you that the crown and the crown tube threads are perfect. Perfect. Screws down beautifully. I'm just saying that because you can see the crown is out here. It's because I haven't screwed it down. Okay, that's it. Thank you.